In this meditation, I am going to help you make them obsessed, and this works fast. So make sure you pick somebody you actually want to manifest, because otherwise you are going to be stuck with someone obsessed with you who you don't even want. So don't say, I did not warn you. This works best if you are sitting or lying down and if you have headphones in. Before we get started, hi, my name is Janell. I am your manifesting love expert. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. You will notice being subscribed to my channel, engaging with my meditations, good things are going to start to happen for you. I get comments and testimonials on a daily basis of people telling me how my meditations and spells have changed their lives and made their manifestations come true. And also, before we get started, I want to make sure that you are open to receiving this powerful love energy. So just down below, I want you to comment, I accept. You must be open to receiving this love energy to be able to see results. Now let's get started. Get comfy, close your eyes, and we're going to start by taking a few deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth, releasing any tension from the day. There is nowhere else you need to be but here with me. There is nothing else to do but be present right now in this moment. Inhale through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Let all of that bad energy go. With every exhale, you have released any bad energy that is clinging towards you. Now I just want you to listen to my words and my voice. There is no need to do anything other than just receive this powerful love energy. They are obsessed with you. They cannot stop thinking about you. Everything reminds them of you. Why wouldn't it? You are addicting. Your energy is like a drug to them. You are so hypnotizing. Every time they see you, they can't get enough. They want to see you again. They are so addicted to you that anytime they have a free moment, they are thinking about you. There is nowhere else they want to be but in your presence. Your charisma, your smile, your eyes, it does something to them. It gives them butterflies in their stomach. They feel special around you. They feel seen. You are like a little magnet walking around, attracting them to you. You have the right energy that matches theirs, and they just can't help but be attracted to you. Every word that you speak, they cling onto your voice. It's like butter to them. They are so soothed by the sound of your voice. Everything you do is just naturally attracting them to you. They can't even figure it out. They can't even pinpoint it. There is just not one thing that makes them attracted to you. It is everything. Your voice, the tone of your voice, the sparkle in your eyes, the way that you smile, the little dimples in your cheek, the way that you laugh, the sound of your laugh. It is like music to their ears. Everything about you is so enchanting. It is like you have put a spell on them, and they want you. They want you bad. No matter where they go, no matter who they are with, no matter what they do, they are thinking about you. They can't help it. It is just a biological attraction. They can't help it. They don't know what it is, but it's like you were made for them. It is like you were made for each other. You guys fit each other like two peas in a pod, like two sides of a coin, like equal parts of a soul. You are soulmates. You are destined to be together. Every lifetime you guys find each other over and over and over again. This is not the first time you found each other. This is no mistake. This is by spiritual design. You were designed to be together. You were meant for each other. And they know this. They feel this deep within their heart, deep within their soul. They know that they are meant to be with you. And that is why there is this unexplainable draw that they feel towards you. They are spiritually drawn towards you. They know that they would be happy with you. They know the life that they could have with you, and they want it. They want it bad. They want it so bad. It is all they talk to their friends about. Their friends are so sick of hearing about you because they are so obsessed with you. They can't get enough of you. Now, with your eyes closed, I want you to affirm this either out loud or in your head. They are mine. They are mine. They are mine. Mean it. Believe it, and it is so. Now go ahead and slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type "they are mine" to affirm it. This powerful love energy is going to sink in deeper and deeper throughout the rest of the day as you go about your regular life. This energy is going to install itself into your spiritual being and into your subconscious mind. Feel free to redo this anytime you want to reconnect to this energy. And if you do want to take things one step further and you want to make sure you manifest this person, I highly recommend you get my Make Them Obsessed Ultimate Love Spell. I have love spells, manifestations, and tarot readings on my website, joybyjanell.com, or you can click one of the links in the description box below. My Make Them Obsessed Ultimate Love Spell is actually insane. I get testimonials on a regular basis on how people are blown away by my love spell because people have manifested literally in moments, in minutes, in hours, in days. People have manifested so quickly and it works really well for a specific person. So go check that out if you do want to take this to the next level.